The perfect breakfast. These sandwiches are my choice every morning. Let's start with the first type of sandwich. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs, ensuring they are fresh and ready for a delicious recipe. Add a pinch of salt, some black pepper, and 50 milliliters of milk to make the mixture creamy and smooth. Now, add 30 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Finally, chop some parsley and mix it into the preparation. The fresh parsley will add a layer of freshness and color to our sandwiches. With the mixture ready, it's time to prepare the bread. Cut some thick slices of bread. Tell us in the comments, what do you like to eat for breakfast? Heat a large skillet and add a tablespoon of butter. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, making sure all sides are well soaked, and place them in the hot skillet. This is the perfect breakfast. If you're the type who wakes up already thinking about a delicious meal to start the day, you'll love this recipe. Let the bread toast on one side and carefully flip it to toast the other side. When both sides are golden and crispy, add a generous portion of mozzarella cheese on each slice of bread. Stay until the end and discover all the secrets to preparing these delights. Cover the skillet and let the cheese melt completely. This step creates that irresistible topping that makes all the difference. While the bread is in the skillet, the delicious smell fills the kitchen, and it's impossible not to drool. When the cheese is completely melted, remove the bread from the skillet and serve immediately. The result is a sandwich with a crispy crust on the outside and a soft interior filled with melted cheese. For the second type of sandwich, repeat the initial process with 3 eggs in a deep plate. Add a pinch of salt and a generous spoonful of heavy cream. Beat the eggs well with the cream until you get a homogeneous mixture. Heat the skillet again, this time with a drizzle of oil to prevent the bread from sticking. Generously dip the slices of sandwich bread into the egg mixture, ensuring both sides are well coated. Then, place them in the hot skillet, letting them toast until they are crispy and golden. These sandwiches are my choice every morning, and I'm sure after trying them, they will become yours too. Now comes the assembly. On each slice of toasted bread, place a slice of ham, a tomato slice, and a slice of mozzarella cheese, which blends with the flavors, creating perfect harmony. Top with another slice of bread. Tell me if you already knew a delicious recipe like this. Finish with a bit more mozzarella cheese on top. Cover the skillet so the heat melts the cheese and integrates all the flavors. This moment is crucial because the melted cheese will create an irresistible layer that holds everything together. Done! Now you have not just one, but 2 types of delicious sandwiches to transform your breakfast. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family and comment on how your sandwich turned out. We look forward to hearing your feedback.